Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Monday. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Big surge of Arctic air moving through the eastern two-thirds of the nation, and this is going to help to set up a winter storm from the Gulf Coast states to the mid-Atlantic region. And then finally starting to notice some moisture return to the western part of the country, which is good news. We desperately need it, and some spots will pick up a decent amount. We'll talk about that. But there's the Arctic front. This is the same one that brought blizzard conditions to the upper Mississippi Valley yesterday. And look at how much colder it was this morning versus what we had on Sunday morning. In fact, some spots down close to 50 degrees from this time yesterday. Actual low temperatures into the teens and 20s below zero, even for Chicago. Some sub-zero readings. Then you factor in the wind, and it feels even colder. So some dangerous levels of cold. A number of schools, of course, in the Midwest close again due to the fact that it is so cold. But wind chill concerns across the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, even down into the Tennessee Valley. And this is going to stretch through at least Tuesday or Wednesday midday. And then finally starting to see that colder air subside a little bit. So we do have some winter weather headlines posted from the coastal bend of Texas all the way to the mid-Atlantic region. A very thin, narrow band of some rain, freezing rain, sleet, and or some snowfall as this Arctic front continues to slide off to the south. And again, starting up Monday nights here across the coastal bend of Texas and eventually ending as we get you out to about that Wednesday time frame. Wednesday night, it should begin to fall away from the eastern seaboard, but snowfall amounts could be quite impressive. We're talking upwards of maybe 3 to 6 inches in a few spots, but icing is going to be a big concern there as well. Out west, this is where precipitation again is going to be starting to move on in more so through midweek. Higher elevations picking up some snowfall, looking at some decent amounts of coastal rain there as well, and precipitation amounts could be on the order of an inch or more in some of the higher elevations.